talk to Evan Farlow, the face-off guy. Evan, you're playing phenomenal right now. How you feeling?
Feel great, man. You know, it's a beautiful day, beautiful weather for lacrosse, and we're just having fun.
I love it. I love it. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now we got Silas Charles, the starting LSM. How do you feel? How do you feel?
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling great, actually. Streamless 16s out, not everywhere. The first quarter was good. You know what I'm saying? I think we could have played better. But overall, I think we did play as a team.
For sure.
For the second half.
For sure. Thanks. Now, we're leaving. Chicken sandwich. You know, gotta love it.